Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. I have this serum that I'm using on my skin and I'm seeing amazing results. This serum is a serum that I personally made using natural anti-aging ingredients. Now guys, if you're looking for something to tighten and firm the skin, hydrates the skin, boosts the collagen production in the skin, and have your skin looking younger and fresher, all natural, something you can whip up in your kitchen, you're at the right place. So guess what? Follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to do this. I will also show you how to use it on your skin for best result.
Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have some star anise, and star anise is a spice. However, it is very good for the skin since it contains ingredients that will help to strengthen the muscle, the firmness of the skin, preventing a sagging skin. As soon as you start applying star anise to your skin, it appears that your skin feels tighter, firmer, and also much smoother. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use about 5 pads of the star anise. I'm going to place it in my container and I'm going to show you my next ingredient. My next ingredient is green tea, and green tea contains antioxidant which will help to tighten and firm the skin, remove the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, help to boost the collagen production, and also is very hydrating to the skin. I'm going to be using 1 tea bag and I'm going to place this in my bowl with my star anise. Next, I'm reaching for some dried orange peel, and dried orange peel contains vitamin C, which will help to brighten the skin. This will also help to smooth the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the dried orange peel, and I'm going to put this in my bowl with my star anise and my green tea. So here I have star anise, green tea, and dried orange peel. Next, I'm going to take about a 1/4 cup of hot water. Make sure the water is to boiling point, and I'm going to pour this over my star anise, green tea, and dried orange peel. Now, once this is done, I'm going to cover this tightly, and then I'm going to put this aside to brew. You can also choose to give it a little stir before you put it away. Our next ingredient is papaya, and papaya contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. It helps to nourish the skin, it helps to hydrate the skin, it helps to smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Papaya will also help to get rid of spots and blemishes on the skin. It is good for acne-prone skin since it has this ingredient called papain. Papain will help to fight inflammation and bacteria on the skin. I'm going to use about 2 ounces of the papaya. I'm going to extract the seeds, put the seeds aside to make another remedy. And now I'm going to peel the papaya. Once this is peeled, I'm going to place it in my blender since I'm going to be blending. Next, I'm going to reach for some rose water, and rose water is very hydrating to the skin. You can use rose water directly on the skin, or you can add it to other mixture like I'm showing here. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of the rose water. Place this in the blender along with my papaya, and I'm going to blend to a puree. Now take a look. Here we have the blended papaya puree, and I'm going to put this in my bowl. So just scrape your papaya puree in a bowl. And give it a little stir. If you notice you have a little bit of a lump, not to worry, we're going to strain later on. So here we're blending our papaya and our rose water. Now guys, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to steam my papaya and rose water. So I'm going to place my cup and I'm going to fill it up with hot water. Make sure the water is the boiling point, and then I'm going to place my papaya mixture over the hot water. This is steaming the papaya without damaging the vital properties of the papaya. Now, while I'm steaming my papaya, I'm going to add another ingredient. And here I have some honey. Honey is hydrating to the skin. It will help to tighten and firm the skin. Honey will also help to boost the collagen production in the skin. So I'm using a teaspoon of the honey, and I'm putting this in my papaya mixture, and I'm going to mix. So we're steaming the papaya for about 3 minutes or so over our hot water. Once this is done, we're going to remove it from the hot water. Be careful while removing, since our bowl may be a little warm. Now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to reach for my green tea star anise mixture and take a look. Here it is. And now we are going to strain. And I like to make sure I get everything. So I like to squeeze the tea bag to make sure I get all the vital properties of the green tea. And here we have our star anise green tea mixture. And now we are going to add this to our papaya. I'm using 1 tablespoon of the green tea mixture, and I'm pouring this in with the papaya. Now once this is done, we're going to give this a mix, and we're going to mix well. And this is going to look a little thick, and that's exactly how you want it to be. We're making a facial serum here. So once we finish mixing, we're going to reach for our final ingredient, and here we have some aloe vera gel. Today I'm using the store-bought aloe vera gel, and take a look at this. Very hydrating to the skin, also good for wrinkles and fine lines, contains a vitamin E and vitamin C. So we're pouring this in our bowl with our papaya and our green tea mixture, and we are gonna blend. And this is gonna have a very ceramic consistency, and this is exactly how you want this to be. So totally dissolve the aloe vera gel in the mixture by stirring. Now guys, take a look at our serum right here. This is basically ready. To get rid of any lumps that might be left over from the papaya, I'm gonna strain a second time. So we're just gonna strain this. And once this is done, this is it. Here we have our serum, very serumy. And what we're going to do, we're going to reach for our storage jar, and we're going to pour this in our jar. And this is it, guys. This is our anti-aging collagen boosting facial serum. This facial serum can be used on top of your facial toner. It's going to help to smooth the wrinkles and fine lines, lighten the dark spots and blemishes on the skin. It is also going to help to boost the collagen production. It also is going to have the skin looking younger and fresher once used on a regular. To use, all you need is about 3 to 4 drops on the skin, and you can use this AM and PM. Apply it to clean skin, massage it on the skin, and let it dry on the skin before you apply your moisturizer.
What are you waiting for? Give this one a try, guys. It's really an amazing anti-aging facial serum. Use it for a month or so, and then come back and leave a comment. Now, if this was the first time watching, I'm sure you want to see more of these amazing videos. So look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also at the side, there's a little bell. If you click on that, you'll get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Now guys, if you want to support our channel, you can do so by purchasing our merchandise. They're normally at the side or below the video. Thank you all for watching.